Yes.
Vi skal være med vogn 18/102.
Yeah.
We're all pie.
Yes.
That's a bit crazy.
This is complete full train here.
And now I have way too big shoulders.
Det er så stort. Jamen hvad er det? Jeg har aldrig set et stort hus før. Alting krymper ved siden af. We are trying the Chinese McDonald's. It's called this up there. It is needed.
And you are filming,
Yes,
aren't you?
I am. Up.
Oh my goodness.
I think we're both too fat here. We are in the train. Oh, it's fantastic. How did you sleep? I slept fantastic. We have arrived in Xi'an, and these two guys, we met them on the airport in Beijing. We met them again now. Good to see you guys. Just put a power plant in the middle of the town. Yeah, ice cold. We have to deposit our bags here to go into the terracotta warrior. They're checking everything too. They check the computer and they just push the space button. Okay. Now it's time for the big warriors. Let's go. All the rest of the stuff here, all the terracotta warriors are also found to late in 200 BC. They found in 74. I have a question. There is floor down there. Is it floor everywhere under all these piles?
The floor about 5 meters deep, so they all belong to an earth and wood structure.
Free tea. Yes.
This is China tea ceremony.
Okay.
This tea is with special flavor, smoke wood flavor, relieve abdominal distension.
This hall is 60 times 30 meters. It's incredible. This is fantastic. I got a fine in the Valley of the Kings in Egypt because I used bits. They took my camera out of my hand and they said you have to pay me $50 to get it back. No bits. I was like, what? I called the police. He says, I am the police. This is 1 out of 4 pits, what they claim. There should be at least 4 times as much warriors as this. And they have not excavated the Emperor's tomb yet. Can I take a picture? Yes. Supposedly, this is Xiao Kangmin, the guy who found the terracotta warriors in April 74, a local farmer. But this is actually not that guy. This is a guy the government hired to act as him and to write the signature.
Hello.
And the guys have said that down here in the Muslim quarter there should be some really nice food.
Oh, that looks good.
Oh my god.
I love durian.
No, you're kidding me.
Oh, I love that.
I hate that shit. It tastes like fresh pea.
Most people don't like the smell, but I love the smell.
Lame per meal.
Probably still much on quality.
Det er fandme feng shui. We arrived at the hotel. It's very nice.